In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you what drivers are for a computer and how you can get them if they're missing. Essentially, if you're like reformatting or if you're plugging in a new hardware part into your computer, say for example a video card, your computer might not recognize it. Windows 7 tries to by connecting to the internet automatically, but essentially what a driver does is, let's say for example you plug in a new video card to your computer and the computer is like error installing drivers, usually at the bottom here in a pop-up bubble. Drivers, essentially what happens is the computer will say there's something there in the video card slot, but it'll be like, I don't know what to do with it. A driver basically is a software that tells the computer, okay, this is what this computer part is and this is what it does. And if for example you buy like say a webcam or something and it doesn't come with the CD, or if it's for an older version of Windows you need to download a more recent version, I'm going to teach you how to download a more compatible or upgraded version. So I guarantee you that you've used drivers at least once in your life and without even noticing it. Drivers are pretty much everywhere, even in devices as simple as a USB flash drive, and I'll show you right now how that works. I just reformatted my computer, so let me plug in a new USB drive and show you what happens. Okay, see, as you can see right here, it's installing a driver for a USB flash drive. Every time you plug in a new one, it's gonna do this. Windows XP and Vista may or may not have trouble installing the driver, but a simple device like that shouldn't be too much of a problem. Even for say a printer, what else, a webcam, heck even a keyboard and mouse, if you're plugging in a new one, your computer will try to do its best to install the driver automatically. But what happens if you can't do that? Let's say for example I want to plug in my phone, my Galaxy S2, into my computer. I can't just simply plug it in and hope that it'll work. I need to install drivers, but no driver CD was included in my box. So how do I get them? Well, if you're not sure which driver is compatible with your device, just do a simple Google research, and I know that Samsung Keys is a program to install drivers for my phone. So just go to Google and type Samsung Keys, I don't know, Canada, just in case. And I'm just gonna download this. Like I said, this is for my phone. This is the same method you would use for any device. Say I have a Logitech G5 driver. G5 is a gaming mouse that I have, and I need to use drivers in order to use all the gaming buttons. Like it works as a mouse, but I want the additional buttons to work. So in that case, I would go to Logitech because I know it's a Logitech device. I know the model is a G5. I would search that, and then it's usually, you can find the drivers in the download section of a website or in the support section. For most companies, that's what they do. So if I try plugging in my phone right now, it's not going to work. So I'm going to download the driver as I'm doing now, and I'll show you what happens. Okay, at this point I'm going to plug in my phone, practically for the first time because I reformatted. My computer doesn't know what it is, but with Samsung Keys installed, this is the driver for my particular phone. I'll show you what happens now. See, it's installing the driver because the computer thinks that, well, since I reformatted, the computer's like, okay, this is the first time I'm recognizing it. I got Samsung Keys with the drivers. I'm going to load the drivers up, and now you can use your phone as you want. So that's just an example with my phone. So to recap, if you're using a simple device as a USB flash drive, as I plugged in the first time, keyboard, mice, heck even a monitor, your computer tends to recognize them automatically and do the work for you. If you're putting in something more complex, say a sound card, for the first time, or if you're building a computer or something like that, if you're putting that in for the first time, your computer will be like, I don't know what this is, but I know there's something here plugged in the sound card slot, but I don't know what to do with it. And if you reformat and your computer has a separate sound card, actually even if your sound card is part of the motherboard, you won't have sound if you reformat, I guarantee it. Like I said, Windows 7 is pretty good at connecting to the internet. If you have Windows updates on, it'll try to find it automatically. If not, you're gonna have to go to your manufacturer's website, make sure you have your model number. It's pretty essential if you have to do it manually. Go to the manufacturer website, search the model number, and just look for drivers or support page or something like that. And from there you just install it as you would, and in this particular example your sound should start working. And like I said, drivers, it can be for a wireless network adapter for your PC, sound card, video card, computer, mice, keyboards, webcams, almost any physical part attached to your computer, whether it be within the computer like a sound card or video card, or whether it be in a USB drive like a flash drive, like a printer, a USB flash drive, a webcam. Heck, even a lot of keyboard and mice tend to have a USB port. So that's basically what drivers is. Drivers tell your computer, this is what this device is, this is what you need to do with it now. And the computer is like, okay, I got it, let me take care of the rest of the work now. So that's a very simplified way of explaining it. So as you can see, it's really simple. And if you found this video tutorial, subscribe to my channel. Check out my website for more tech rumors, tech news, and any news related to technology. And thanks for watching.